Diabetes is a global health crisis. Millions struggle with this chronic disease. Researchers worldwide are searching for a cure. Their work focuses on understanding, managing, and ultimately curing diabetes. There are promising advancements in diabetes research. New medications and technologies offer hope. However, a definitive cure remains elusive. The search for a breakthrough continues. Many people are turning to complementary and alternative medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, is gaining attention. Traditional Chinese medicine views diabetes differently than Western medicine. TCM sees diabetes as an imbalance in the body's energy flow, or qi. This imbalance disrupts organ function, leading to symptoms of diabetes. TCM practitioners use various methods to restore balance. These include herbal remedies, acupuncture, and dietary changes. The goal is to address the root cause of diabetes, not just the symptoms. While Western medicine focuses on managing blood sugar levels, TCM takes a broader approach. It aims to improve overall health and well-being. This holistic approach may hold the key to long-term diabetes management. TCM's unique perspective offers a fresh perspective on diabetes. It encourages a shift from symptom management to root cause resolution. This approach may lead to more sustainable and effective diabetes care. Chinese herbs are a cornerstone of TCM's approach to diabetes. These natural remedies have been used for centuries to regulate blood sugar. Modern science is now investigating their efficacy.
Studies have shown that certain Chinese herbs possess anti-diabetic properties. These herbs may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. More research is needed to confirm these findings.
Some popular Chinese herbs for diabetes include ginseng, bitter melon, and Gymnema sylvestre. These herbs are often combined in customized formulas to address individual needs.
It's important to note that herbal remedies should be used under the guidance of a qualified TCM practitioner. They can assess your individual needs and recommend the appropriate herbs and dosages.
TCM emphasizes the importance of lifestyle in managing diabetes. Dietary changes, regular exercise, and stress reduction are crucial. These lifestyle modifications complement herbal remedies and other TCM therapies.
According to TCM, a balanced diet is essential for blood sugar control. This includes consuming whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats should be limited.
Regular physical activity is also vital. TCM recommends moderate intensity exercises like Tai Chi and Qigong. These practices improve circulation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being.
Stress management is another key aspect of TCM's approach to diabetes. Chronic stress can disrupt hormonal balance and worsen blood sugar control. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness can help alleviate stress.
The Chinese diet offers valuable insights for managing blood sugar levels. Certain foods are considered beneficial, while others are best avoided. Incorporating these dietary recommendations can support diabetes management.
Bitter melon is a popular vegetable in Chinese cuisine. It contains compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that bitter melon juice and extracts can improve insulin sensitivity.
Ginseng, a revered herb in traditional Chinese medicine, is also believed to have anti-diabetic properties. It may enhance insulin secretion and improve glucose uptake by cells. Ginseng is often consumed as a tea or supplement. Ginseng is...
The white mulberry leaf extract is another promising natural remedy. It contains compounds that may slow down sugar absorption in the gut, helping to regulate blood sugar levels after meals. Section 6. Success stories. Real people, real results with traditional Chinese medicine. While more research is needed, anecdotal evidence suggests that traditional Chinese medicine can be effective in managing diabetes. Many individuals have reported positive results using TCM therapies.
One individual shared their experience of using acupuncture to regulate their blood sugar levels. After several sessions, they noticed a significant improvement in their blood sugar control and overall well-being.
Another person reported that incorporating Chinese herbs into their diet helped them lose weight and reduce their reliance on medication. They experienced increased energy levels and improved blood sugar readings.
These testimonials highlight the potential of TCM in diabetes management. However, it's important to remember that individual experiences may vary. Consulting with a qualified TCM practitioner is crucial. Section 7. Integrating Eastern and Western approaches. A holistic view of diabetes care. Integrating traditional Chinese medicine with conventional Western medicine offers a comprehensive approach to diabetes care. This integrative approach combines the best of both worlds. While Western medicine excels in acute care and medication management, TCM focuses on long-term health and disease prevention. Combining these approaches allows for a more holistic treatment plan. For example, a person with diabetes may take prescribed medications to manage their blood sugar levels. They can also incorporate TCM therapies like acupuncture and dietary changes to support their overall well-being. It's crucial to have open communication between healthcare providers from both disciplines. This ensures coordinated care and optimal outcomes for the patient. Section 8. The importance of continued research and collaboration. While TCM shows promise in diabetes management, more research is needed to validate its efficacy and safety. Collaborative efforts between TCM practitioners and Western medical researchers are crucial. Rigorous clinical trials are necessary to understand the mechanisms of action of TCM therapies. Standardized protocols and quality control measures are essential to ensure reliable and reproducible results. Collaborative research can bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. It can pave the way for evidence-based TCM practices that complement conventional diabetes care. Section 9. Stay informed. Your journey to wellness starts here. Diabetes is a complex condition that requires a multifaceted approach. While TCM offers promising avenues for managing diabetes, it's essential to stay informed and make decisions in consultation with healthcare professionals. Subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates on diabetes research, natural remedies, and lifestyle tips. Empower yourself with knowledge and take charge of your health. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. By staying informed and seeking guidance from qualified healthcare providers, you can navigate the complexities of diabetes and live a full and vibrant life.